Okay. Okay, I was like, yep, gonna start leak coding, and then my internet crashed for 15 minutes. And by my internet, I mean my adapter is loose or something. Okay, anyways, back on leak code. I looked at this one, ugly number. It seems really hard, so yeah, I'm gonna skip that one for now. And then first, but all these like really low percentage, I don't really know how to do. I'm gonna do it later. I did missing number off screen. It wasn't too bad. I just have two loops, one looking through the min and max number, and then one looping through everything else. Alright, anyways, back on track. Today, I'm going to try to do 12. If that's possible. Maybe we'll see. Move zeros. Given the integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Do not make a copy. So move all the zeros at the back. Well, that's fine. We just num zeros and then I plus plus, and if nums at I is equal num zeros, sorry, is equal to 0, we will swap it for one that's not 0, and then at the end we'll do zeros are less than nums dot length I plus plus. We'll do nums at I is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll move all the zeros to the back. This is one of the cases, so it's 0. Num 0 0. Num's length is also 0. Sorry, num's length is 1, so I is equal to 1 minus 0. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it would be 5 minus 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. In that case, I guess I can't return. So we'll just do else do this. Okay, cool. So we got if nums I is equal to 0, then we're going to have num zeros plus plus. And now we have to make this element into the next element that is not 0. And we have to do this in place. So to do that, we can just have another for loop. Until we reach if nums at I does not equal 0, then num at I is equal to nums at j. So here we're at I 0, nums at length, so 0, then the next one is 1. So just wait, not equals 0, nums at I is equal to j, 1. Okay, next one we ignore. No, but that doesn't swap it. That doesn't make it. No, that doesn't work. Iterator. You can do this. Nums at iterator. Zero. We have an iterator. So if it's not equal to 0, like 1, nums at iterator is equal to nums at I. Num iterator plus plus. So the first one is 0. Okay, if we count the 0, then we're on the next one. So it's else activates. So nums at iterator turns into 1. So the iterator is at 0, so that turns into 1. And then that's it. Iterator plus 1, so we're at 3 now. This one's at a 0, this one is 3, iterator is at 1, 12, 12. Then we have 2 zeros, so we start at 3, go to 5, then we make that equal to 1. Looks good to me. Looks like logic. Looks like dot size instead of dot length. Wow, we did it. Alright, let's see, first try. Nice. Alright. Good job, Sherwin. Thanks, Sherwin. Alright. I'm gonna try to sleep at 11 today, so I'm just gonna go for a little bit. 283. Alright, what's next? Word problem. Word problem. Given a pattern and a string s follow, and if s follows the same pattern, here follow means a full match, such as there's a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in s. Specifically, each letter in pattern maps to exactly one unique word. Each letter in pattern maps exactly to one unique word. Let's kind of look at example real quick. Patterns ABBA. Each letter in pattern is in one unique word. A. How's A map to dog? B maps to cat. A maps to dog. B maps to cat. Okay, I see. I mean, this is just no two letters map to the same word and no two words map to the same letter. Cat and cat map to B. Is it different words? Okay, well, I think you just do two. You do two set is. Both are keys. Is that thing? Because if not, then you would just have a hash map for S, A to this. But it has to be the other way around too. So dog can only map to A. I guess I just have to. An ordered map. String. Char string. Letter to word. Word to letter. And then we will do for an I equals 0 is less than pattern dot length I plus plus. So the first thing I'll do is add to letter and word. So if letter to word dot insert is equal to 0, sorry, dot second is equal to 0, and the insert word word to letter is equal to 0, then that's good. That should happen, but if not, else that means return false because they already exist. It shouldn't exist. So A can map to D, dog. Oh, I forgot. What are we inserting? Insert letter to word at I. Word to letter, I need to split this up. Is there a split function in C++? Man, if this was Python though. stalk. No, that's not what I want to do. I mean, it could be. What I can do is process the string as a list, possibly. Split. Okay, maybe I do want to use strock. If it works. Can I do s equals stalk at string temp string equals s at white space, then I can do temp string. And then I will have to do p equals strock null. Temp string is equal to strock at null. Okay. Why are these ads on the? My malware bytes is just. Malware bytes is turning into a malware. It just keeps giving me rooms. Alright. Should I run this now? Assuming strock works. Nope, it does not. Let's try on the char. Nope, it does not work. Okay. Split. I'm going to copy this split function. A string automatically pass by reference. find substring is 0. S dot erase. Find substring S. Okay, can I do temp string is equal to S at substring dot end, and this can just be this. Then I can do S dot erase. What is del? What is end? Int end is equal to S dot find. Find white space. The first white space. Find string. First occurrence of white space. Then we go substring is 0 to the first occurrence of space. Then S up begin plus n plus 1. We erase that, so all the way to the substring. Then we can find a new end. And we can keep doing that. Alright, can this not error? No, it's not possible. What? Insert. What? There's totally an insert in other room. Insert. Unordered map keys insert. Yeah, I've insert like this before. Oh, what's wrong? No matching member followed to have called insert. Unordered map dot insert. That's unordered dot insert dot second. Dot insert temp string. Letter to word. Letter to word pattern. Alright. Why is that false? Can't insert because letter to word at pattern at I is equal to word to letter at temp string. Is not equal. Dot find. Dot find. No, I need to see at the value dot at. not the iterator. Saturn dot second x dot second first dot second. So the second has the value, the first has the key. So if they don't equal, it's fine. What? Literally has second. X dot second x at my map. My map is annoying. What? Is this like outdated or something? I'm so confused. My map dot at this character pattern at I does not equal word to letter at temp string. Why does that not work? Dot compare. Maybe it doesn't like that I'm comparing two strings. Nope. Doesn't care about that. aka char, take the address of map, compare char. Candidate not viable, no known conversion from map type, aka char. Letter to word, word to string at hello. Pattern at I is character. Like, does that work if it's two strings? No, it doesn't work. Okay, this is not like that. I'm doing this. I'm confused. So it's not this that's wrong. It's just this pattern at I. But this pattern.I should give me a char. So let me try casting it to string. Cast aka char to string. What? Hash map unordered map char. Should I do this for character and this? Built-in compare function. I don't understand anymore. I don't get it. I don't get C++. Basic string char map type. I'm getting it wrong. This is a string, and this is, okay, I understand. So the value at letter to word at pattern at I needs to equal to pattern at needs to equal to temp string, and word to letter dot at temp string needs to equal to pattern at I. Okay. I don't know why I was struggling so much with this. Okay. Pattern at I does not equal temp string, and this does not equal pattern. So does not equal. One of them needs to be true. So A to dog. So I couldn't insert is B to cat, letter to word, B, so we have cat does not equal to temp string. B to cat does equal, so that's false, that's false. We should make this true. Okay. So this A, letter to word, so I mean this obviously failed, so that's fine. But the pattern at A for letter to word is fish. Fish. Sorry, should be dog. Dog does not equal fish. There you go. This is characters, I can compare them directly. That's not okay. If that, then nothing else. That, then something. Can I print this? Why? How's it even printing false? It's not even printing any of these. Dog, cat, cat, fish. I think this has to be or. This should be running. Dog. Dog. I'm so confused. The word to letter. Dot at temp string. If that word dog. Why am I so dumb? I don't understand what's wrong. I don't understand what's wrong. A to dog. Pattern I. a to dog, then we insert, and then it crashes. Why? Why does it crash? Terminate called after frying. Did I delete something important or something? Crash. No crash. Okay. We have a and then dog. Then we should have leather at a dot compare temp string. So leather two words, so that's at a dot compared to temp strings. So dog compared to dog is true, which makes it false. And then word to leather, so word dog is not is dog to a does not equal a. It's also false. So both of those should have false. But for some reason, it's not doing that. Why is this false? Am I inserting this wrong? Is this dot second? Okay, now it's failing. Okay, now it's doing this right, but it's doing this wrong. So I think this should be or, because this is outputting true, but it needs to be false. False. A dog. How is it doing that? I don't understand. A cat. A. Terminate after throwing an instance SCAV range. Unordered map at. Word to leather dot contains temp string and so that it doesn't error anymore, it has to contain it. Okay, that fixed the first problem. A to dog, B to cat, B to cat. Expected true. Leather to word. Okay, word to leather dot contains temp string. Okay, this is just outputting false every time. So a dot compare temp string. So at A is dog. Dog compared to dog. It's false. That's good. Word dot contains. That's true, but word to leather at temp string. So word to leather at dog. At cat. Sorry. Cat. does not equal pattern. So false. You have cat to B does not equal to B. B does not equal B, false. B does not equal B, false. Yeah, so this should be false. Letter to word. So at B dot compare temp string. At B, it should already contain cat. So cat dot compared to cat is true. Not as false. False. This is false. Why is it returning false? Oh, I guess I'll do 5, I guess. This is taking like 10 years. Word. I can't figure this out. Pattern not I. Cat? Cat. True? False. Okay. Contains. It's 1. Okay, that's true, that's fine. That's just it. That's just if it's false. Whether at B does not equal B. This should be false too. What? How's the first one true? Is it the brackets? Please don't tell me it's the brackets. Please don't tell me it does not first. No, this still doesn't make sense. Man, if this was like Python, I'd be like, oh, I'm already done. Nope. Still confused. It's literally comparing cat to cat. And it's saying it's true. Okay. It's because compares return 0 if it's false. Because, yep. Because, yep, that's just how it works. And now it's broken. Okay, we did it. Good job. Good job, Sherwin. Good job, team. Output true, expected false. If pattern dot length is less than if s is greater than 0, return false. Greater than 1. It probably has like 1 character or something. Greater than equal to 2. How is s equal to 3? Why is there still dog? Why is it still... Why does it still have dog left? I don't know anymore. Yeah. Last character in string C++. String that back. That doesn't make sense. what does s dot find get? -1. 3, 3, -1, -1. Equal -1, then n is equal to s dot end. S dot back. -1. Round to the riptide, right to the dark side. I wanna be your left man hand. I love you, and I say it was so good. I'm a fellow from the sun. What? S dot blank -1. If, alright, I know, S dot length is greater than 0, return false. Okay, please work. I don't want to work with strings anymore. I'm done with C++. Oh, please. Oh my goodness. What could possibly S equal to? What? Cat, cat. Cat, cat, dog. Cat, dog. Dog. And then it should loop one more time. Nothing. Dog. Dog. It should loop 4 times. Oh my goodness. Why does it only loop 3 times? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Length is 4. Why do you only repeat 3 times? 0? Is there an I++ somewhere that I don't know about? There's only one. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it outputting only 3 times? And it's not outputting S. Which means it's one of these. I'm done. count if s please work, please why begin end oh that's a vector. Is this my life now? I feel like I've been doing this question for 30 minutes. Can I stop? I won, but at what cost? I feel like I lost everything. Why is this question so like this? Why is C++ like this? Everything I tried to do, it just didn't work. I'm gonna remember this forever. Word pattern. Hey, I'm almost at 300. Isn't that cool? Nim game. Number of stones in a heap, return true if you can win the game, assuming you whoever wins the last stone. Well, I feel like it's what's the number? Okay, I feel like it's a pattern. Like so it can remove 3 stones, 1 to 3. So if it's 1, 2, or 3, I win. 4, I friend wins. 5, I can take 1. Then my friend has to take 1. 5, I win. Because I can take 1, then my friend will take 3. Or 1 to 3, doesn't matter, I still win. 6, I also win. I can take 2. 6, I win. That means 7, I also win. 8, friend wins. Because I can take 1, then my friend can take 3. So it's 4. I can take 1, so it's 5. And then that's 8. So if it's remainder 4, I guess. Because if it's 3 plus... If I take 3, no matter how much my friend takes, that's 7, I win. And then, okay. I guess if n remainder 4 is equal to 0, return true. That can't be right though, is that right? Sorry, other way around. Alright, I guess we'll just see if I get proven wrong. Okay. Nim game. Can all the easies be this easy? I don't want it to. The word, how is the word pattern the same level as this? That doesn't make sense. Oh, I'm in 300s now. Yay. Given an integer array, gnomes handle multiple queries. Calculate the sum of the elements of num between indices left and right, inclusive where left is less than equal. Alright. Is this a 2D array? Sum range 0 to 2 to 5, 0 to 5. 0 to 2 is negative 2, plus 0 plus 3 is 1. 2 to 5. Okay. Int param1 equal obj sum range. I guess this is like to teach objects, huh? But I feel like it's really easy now. I'm pretty sure that's how you do objects, if I recall. They don't like this. Maybe I have to do this with the arrow, but this is just a constructor. Constructor C++. Okay, cool. Public. Vector in nums. This dot nums equal to nums. Number is a pointer. I mean, I guess if it's, I guess it could be a pointer. Here it's not a pointer, it's constructed statically. Input. Zero to 2. -2. What? I think this has to be inclusive. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Wow, I'm so far. How did people optimize this? I wanna know. Hey, I save memory. That's what's most important. How did people optimize this? And say that pushback 0 push. Huh. That's interesting. Range some query immutable. All right. Actually, wait. How much did I do? I think I did. I think if I do I think I did 4. If I do one more, I'll be happy. What? Given an integer 3. Third root C++ cube root, and if n plus 0.00, this is like my value, less is less than 0. If it's in range, return true. Else return false. Cube root of n. Three to the power 3. What's 27 cube rooted? Be equal to 3. It's 81. I think log 3 C++. The cube root at 81 to 1 over 3 is 27. As long as it's remainder. Three. Three to this 2, 3 to the, if n is less than or equals 0. 45. How? What's 45 to the 1 over 3? 15. How? Oh, my value. I was comparing the wrong thing. That's probably why. Alright. Fine. Whatever. Binary. Alright, we're going back to trying to do this. C++. Log A to base B. So log A to base B. I need base 3 of n. Was 80 log 3 of 81 is 27. What? Oh my goodness. Can this work? How? Okay. Well, it says I got the wrong answer. Thank you. What? 5 is equal to I. Why is 5 not equal to 5? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Why is 5 not equal to 5? If trunk my value is equal to my value, I'm desperate now. Return true. Why? I don't know why 5 does not equal 5. Don't understand. I don't understand. Why does 5 not equal 5? My value equal trunk my value. It's gonna say 0, isn't it? It's gonna say 0, and I'm gonna be sad. Why is leetcode so hard? Why? If stdcl my value equals 5, trunk my value equal 5. I've never been sadder in my life. I don't understand. Okay, my bad. I know how you run C++. I'm sorry. Can I just have a win, please? Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Okay, back to the beginning. Yep, that makes sense. Sometimes 9 doesn't equal 9. Yep, and sometimes 10 doesn't equal 10. That's just how it is sometimes. Why does my int not equal each other? I feel bad for doing this, but it just doesn't work. I'm guessing maybe it's a C++ thing. Maybe I should just do this. Apps trouble should equal to floor. Oh, we're back to this. Why? Why does this one test case not work? Can I just win? Is this like a special number that I don't know about? This is just like yonder simulator. You just keep having or statements until floor and so. Or you can do my strat of it doesn't work for these numbers for some reason. Yeah, okay, you're right. N equal 249. I didn't even beat the number once. Alright, I did it. I wonder what the best solution is though. Loop. So I should have just looped from the beginning. No, that's just how it is sometimes. Counting bits. Oh. 5, 0, ones are there in 5? Have to kind of do linear time plus a single pass. I don't know. Well, it looks like you have to repeat. I mean, I know the pattern. You just constantly add 1. And then it's every other. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then it's going to be 2, 3, and then back to 1, 2, 2. One, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Sorry. 0. I feel like 0 is always there. If n is equal to 0, then it's also 0. So. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. So what's the pattern? One, 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. This is pretty easy. You just I feel like you need bitwise operators. I don't know. I'm gonna do this later. I'm sleep time. My brain hurts. Alright. Good night. Thanks for joining me. I did. How did I do today? Um... 338. Counting bits. I did 60. I did 5. An hour 30 for 5. Alright. I'll try to be faster tomorrow. Good night.